Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with day 10 of the 25 Days of Christmas jewelry tutorials. And today we're going to make 3 pairs of earrings using the latest Bargain Bead Box. So it's not really Christmassy, but it is wintry, and I'm sticking with 25 Days of Christmas. So the thing I wanted to use for the first pair were, and I'm doing an easy pair first, were the 2 smaller snowflake crystals that were in the kit. And they were just gorgeous. I loved this one so much. I also wanted to use one of the tiny rondelles that was in the kit as well. And I haven't released this video yet, I don't think, but Anne-Marie sent me some more check beads, and this was one of the gorgeous beads that she sent, and I thought it looked so nice with that. And for this video, I went through my JJB metals soup and rescued a bunch of little silver beads for the earrings that we're going to be making today. So first things first, I just wanted to put a jump ring through our crystal, and you want to be careful here because it can break. These are they're not super fragile, but they're also not like tough. They're not strong. So I'm going to take a jump ring and very carefully feed it through. I have snapped off the hole before on one of these. There we go. That one actually went through pretty smoothly. And I'm going to take a head pin and just slide that right on before I close it back up. You can absolutely add it on after you've made your dangle. Oh my gosh, I closed it. It fell off. You can absolutely do it after you've made your dangle, but why not? Why not do it now? Okay. There we go. And then this, like I said, this earring's pretty simple to start off. I'm just going to turn it this way, put on my little coin bead, and turn the AB towards the front. So then you turn this towards the front, and I'm just going to put on my little spacer. And I am going to put on a crystal rondelle. So somebody in my neighborhood must have gotten a new drum set or something, because they're pounding away on it at 8:22 at night, and I don't understand the thought process of doing that. It must be in their garage or something, but it's horrible. They're not very good at it. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that everything's facing the right way. Okay, and then I am going to do a simple loop. You can absolutely do a wrapped loop if you'd like, but if you can, I'm so sorry if you can hear that drum. I thought they had stopped, and I can't believe nobody has complained yet, but that's what having neighbors is, I guess. So I'll go ahead and make my loop. And I'll turn this towards the front again, just making sure everything's facing the right way. And then I want to make sure my loop is facing the right way, and it actually is. So I'll go ahead and tighten that up a little bit. Okay. And then I'm just going to put on an ear wire. All right. And there we go. These are super duper sparkly. And they're so pretty. My goodness. I kind of just want to stare at them. My eyes are so big. The AB mixed with that beautiful crystal really starts throwing rainbows everywhere. So pretty. Okay, so there's pair 1. Pair 2, we're going to be using, I think, 5 of the snowflake beads that were in the kit. We're going to use 5 for each earring in the pair, so 10 total. And then both of these chandeliers. And then I'm going to spill out a bunch of beads. We're going to use both the bicone, I got to use some bicones, and the crystal rondelle spacers. Sorry, an eyelash on my finger. In this one, and then I got out some more spacers out of my metal soup. So I'm going to dump out my 5 snowflakes. So I'll have one left. I don't know what I'll use that for. And then I'll need some head pins. I'll get out 5 head pins. I don't know where these came from, but they seem like extra long head pins to me. And then I will make a few dangles. So a couple are going to be a little bit longer than the others, but all dangles are going to include a bicone at the bottom, then a snowflake, and then a rondelle at the top. So I'm going to do that 5 times. Then I will complete the simple loop. Just like that. Okay, and then I am going to make so I'm going to set 2 aside, and then these 3 are going to be a little bit longer. So for just 2 of them, I'm just going to make a second link using just a crystal rhinestone ball, and then the other one will have a crystal rhinestone ball with a bicone at the top. So I'm going to just take, since these are some longer head pins, I am going to take the leftovers so I don't waste an eye pin, put it through my bead, and fold it on both sides. So fold that one that way, fold this one this way, and trim a little bit. And then you can use, obviously you can use your one-step looper. I always kind of forget that I have them. And then I will curl these around and do that twice. And with the final one, I am just going to put on one of these. And the crystal bicone. We'll do the exact same thing. So for the center, I am going to connect these 2 together. So start at the bottom. Close that up, and then I'll go ahead and put this right here. And then I'll connect these 2. And then the outside will just be our original dangle. The drumming stopped. I'm hoping that it doesn't start up again. They don't know more than one rhythm, and I don't understand. Maybe they're just getting some rage out in their garage or something. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then we'll do the last one. And then we're not finished, although it is very sparkly, and it's a very eye-catching statement earring for sure. That is not finished. So what we're going to do for the top is grab an eye pin, and then I'm going to take my last 2 crystals in another crystal spacer. I'm going to put the rondelle on, then my spacer, and then my bicone. And then I'm just going to do a simple loop here. Just like that. And then place this on our earring. Oh, they started again. My goodness. Now, I think these aren't the best eye pins. I can kind of feel that one cracking. So I didn't open it very far, trying to put less stress on it. Close this back up. And then we'll put on our ear wire. Oh, I didn't pay attention. Oh, it did go the right way. Okay. We have a super sparkly, super statement pair of snowflake earrings. Aren't those fun? I'll show you a better picture at the end, but look how sparkly and how much movement those have. That makes me so happy. So I'll show you one separately so you don't see two all together. There we go. Isn't that fun? Ugh, I love those. Okay, and then we're going to do one more pair of earrings. I am going to get out some paper towel because we'll be using super new glue, and I don't want to get it on my work surface. So we're not going to have a whole lot of time to work with it. The last time I used rhinestones on a snowflake, I used GS Hypo Cement, which was a great glue, but it takes a little bit longer to dry, and this stuff was fast. So I grabbed this snowflake out of the kit right here. I love this one. And my super new glue. I also have some tweezers and some rhinestones. I want to move really fast while I'm doing this, so I'm going to actually pick up my rhinestone before I glue my dot onto my snowflake, so I can have it ready to go. And I'm going for these inner dots right there, these 6 around the sides. So I'm going to drop a glue, drop my rhinestone, try and push it into place. Hopefully it's not stuck. There we go. And then I'm going to lift up my snowflake and move it to a different spot because I don't want it to get glued to that spot where I got some glue on it before. I'm going to do that 6 times. Okay, so we have our 6 rhinestones in place, and that's almost all the way dry already. So I'm just going to set it to the side for a moment while I close up my glue. And then I'm going to get out some silver wire. I honestly, this is probably like 22 gauge, I want to say. And I don't really have a very long piece of it. So it's not very long. And we're probably not even going to use this much of it. But for this earring, I also got out this crystal that was in the kit, which I really loved because it kind of looks like a I'm going to wire wrap my wire onto my snowflake, and any part of this snowflake will do. I'll slip that on before we close the wire wraps. Just like that. And then I will wire wrap around the longer wire with the shorter wire. Just a few. You can use your pliers if you don't want to use your fingers. Okay, and I'm going to cut towards the back. And then I'm going to slide on my coin. Another one of my little metal beads, And this was also a crystal in the kit, a matte little pale blue. And I am going to wire wrap the top. And I'll just wire around a little messily until I'm happy with it. Here we go. Then I'll just make sure to wire that towards the back, or snip it towards the back, and then move my loop to the front. But I'm not finished. It's a very cute earring and you can stop there. But we did get one other crystal in that kit. We had so many crystals in that kit. So I'm going to take this one. And then I have a ball head pin that's a little bit smaller gauge than my normal head pins. So I'm just going to straighten that out a little bit. I'm going to put our little crystal on the head pin. And then we're going to wire wrap it onto the bottom of the charm. Then we'll snip it off towards the back like we did with the other one. I'm just going to straighten that out a little bit. It kind of crinkled while I was wrapping. And snip in the back. I'm going to go around one more time. And then I need an ear wire. And here we go. Here is our cute, sweet, little, less sparkly, but no less pretty pair of snowflake earrings. Aren't those cute? I love those. So we made 3 pairs of earrings today. All snowflakey, but all very different. So we have our pale blue pair, our very shiny statement chandelier pair, and then our really sweet and very sparkly check glass and crystal pair. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I hope you liked it. Let me know if you've been making anything with your Bargain Bead Box. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. If you want to subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, you can save $2 off your first subscription box by using the coupon code Turquoise at checkout at the link I've included below. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Yeah. Are you mad because I wouldn't keep petting you? Are you pouting? Yep. At least you're cute when you pout. Oh, she's like, I'll forgive you if you rub my tummy. Okay, I'll rub your tummy. With her little leg up in the air, like always. Boop. Love you, Goldie. Love you.